Just to be clear, I am still a teenager. I'm 19 years old, so I'm probably still hormonal. But just to give you some proof that I didn't naturally have this clear skin, here's a picture of me when I was 16 years old. And this is what I look like now on a daily basis because of my skincare routine and the actionable steps that I've taken to prevent me having bad skin. Just want to be clear that it's more than just my skincare routine that led me to having this skin. And in this video, I'm going to be covering everything. It's not going to be a long video, so don't worry. Step number one is washing. I wash my face with clean and clear face wash every single day. And I would advise you to do the same. If you have extremely bad skin, I would advise you to wash your face before you go to sleep also. And if you have like extremely medically bad skin, like if you just have bumps all over your fucking face, if your skin is that bad, I would advise you to use I would advise you to use Cetaphil. It's a little bit expensive, but that's like the best facial cleanser that you can use. But for most people, in my opinion, clean and clear would be fine. That's step number one. Step number two is moisturize. Every single day after I wash my face in the shower. After I come out of the shower, I put moisturizer, and along with the moisturizer, I put 3 to 5 drops of vitamin C serum in my face. I use the moisturizer that I use is from Nivea. I think it's called cucumber and aloe vera moisturizer. My skin is naturally oily, as you can see, it's like glistening right now. That's because I have naturally a little bit of an oily skin. So if I use something like Vaseline, it's gonna be my skin is just gonna break out because I'm gonna have a lot of pimples because my skin is gonna be even more oily than it is right now. So I need to use a non-oil based moisturizer, and Nivea aloe vera just is great. I'll post a picture of it somewhere, and maybe I'll put like an affiliate link in the description. That is what I use. The serum that I use is from Minimalist. It's called vitamin C serum. It also has furic acid, hyaluronic acid in it. I don't know what, but I experimented with it and it has given me great results. It is supposedly not harmful. It doesn't cause any side effects if you use it within moderation. The package advises you to use it twice a day because it's like created for women to use it twice a day. Use it in the morning, use it at night. 5 drops in the morning, 5 drops at night. You're a man, so I would not recommend you use it to that extent. Just use like 3 or 4 drops in the morning along with your face wash. So don't just don't just drop it on your face. Rub it like use it along with the moisturizer so that it like you can apply it evenly all over your face. And just start with like 2 to 3 drops and then slowly build up to 5 drops if you need to. Most people don't. So that is the second step. Third step is that's it. Like optionally, you can use sunscreen. If I'm going out, I would ideally put sunscreen all over my face. But normally, when I'm not going out of the house, that is literally everything I do every single day. And that is my skincare routine. I've tried everything, literally everything that people online, the influencers will tell you to, and nothing works. As a man, as an Indian man with normal oily skin, I'm telling you, nothing works. This is the only thing that you need to be doing. If you do these 3 things consistently for just 30 days, you'll see the difference. But for most men, this is not going to be enough. This will give you like a change, transformation in your skin, but this will not be enough. This will not make you look like this. This will not take you from looking like how I did from when I was 16 to now looking like this. You need to change your diet. In terms of my diet, what I started doing was I started eating more protein because your skin is made up of collagen. Collagen is a type of protein. You eat more protein, your skin is going to look healthier. Other than that, I started including multivitamin into my diet. If your skin is extremely bad, like extremely pathetic, then you can go for a skin specific multivitamin. I usually just go for a multivitamin C. It's in front of me right now. It's from HK Vitals. It's a multivitamin for just everything. So it's good for your skin, for your health, for your hair, everything. This is a multivitamin that I included. Other than that, I'm also eating a lot of vitamin and minerals in general, like naturally from my food. So my breakfast consists of oats, and I top up my oats with a lot of seeds. So I include sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, melon seeds, watermelon seeds, flax seeds, sesame seeds, and I put like 50 grams of it or 40 grams of it onto my oats. And I eat that in breakfast every single day. So that I have noticed that whenever I skip my breakfast or I change it for a couple of days, I will have my first pimple for like a month straight. And so it is advised that you get a lot of vitamins and minerals from natural sources as well. Other than that, I started drinking a lot of water. I know this is boring advice, but trust me, you do this for a month and you'll see the difference in your face. Your skin elasticity changes, your skin just looks more hydrated in general. Your skin color is gonna lighten, your skin is gonna become more even toned. It's just good in general. It's also good for your health and like all around. So just drink at least 3 to 4 liters of water every single day. If you work out and if you're watching my channel, you better fucking work out. Then you at least drink a liter of water in the gym. Drink a liter before going to the gym. Drink a liter after coming back from the gym. That's all the water you need to drink. I found it easier that whenever I have a bottle filled in front of me, I drink more water. So that is some like a mini tip that you can use to drink more water. And that is it. I know you were expecting a more complicated solution. I know you were probably expecting me to tell you stuff like exfoliate your skin and do this and do that. You don't need to do that, bro. You're a man. You don't need to be obsessed with your skin. You need to be good looking. You need to be presentable. But that is basically all you need to do. You want to have good skin, just do all of that for 90 days consistently every single day. And I guarantee it, you will have a better skin. This is everything that I did in order to improve my skin. I did a lot of things that didn't work, that I didn't include in this list. But these are all the things that I currently do in order to maintain the skin that I have. And I don't get any pimples anymore. I don't get any blackheads or just anything in general. My skin looks like this throughout. Even in summers, even in winters, it's just like consistently like this. So if you're looking to improve your skin, just follow my advice and do these couple of things. Don't listen to anything that the influencers tell you. They lie because they want to sell you stuff. Bro, I don't want to sell you anything. If you want to develop habits and traits of a high value man, though, that will go greatly with your beautiful face that you're going to have within a couple of months of following my advice. I recommend you check out the top link in the description. It's an ebook that took me months to create. It's completely free. You don't even have to give me an email. Just go check it out, and you'll hopefully you'll find some value in it. I'm doing this so hopefully you develop some trust in me, and you like my content, and you just like me in general. I just want to be liked and help people, bro. Eventually, you may want to consider joining my paid community, which is completely optional, but for anyone that is not able to invest in my paid community, by all means, completely utilize my free ebook, my free videos on YouTube. I'm building a community of high value men or men who want to become high value. If you think you're one of them, subscribe to my channel right now so you can become a part of this community and I can help you in your own self improvement journey where videos just like this every single day. And I'll see you tomorrow.